So you bought a new glove, you need to break it in. Well, baseball and softball players, listen up. This kit has definitely helped me out breaking my baseball glove. And so when you get a nice new glove, especially if it's real leather, it takes some time to break it in. And so I bought this kit to see if it would help me out, and it definitely did. So let's check it out. So the kit comes with this glove oil and a cloth and 2 rubber bands. This glove oil is easy to apply. It's put on this applied cloth. And the cloth itself is soft. It's not going to scratch your glove. And so when I first applied this oil the very first time to my glove, I'm like, oh no, it stained it. But that dark stain right there, it goes away pretty quickly within an hour or two. So don't worry about that. I did this process for about 5 minutes or so, making sure the oil is all inside the inside part of the glove. And that way it will help it out. And then once I'm done with that, I grab it, put it on there and squeeze it. Just make sure everything is nice and loose there. Next, I'm going to put the 2 supplied rubber bands over the glove. And I'll make this a little bit faster process. It really doesn't take that long. It takes about 30 seconds to get it on there. But sometimes it can be a little awkward just trying to squeeze them on there. Now you get the rubber bands on. Just let it sit for a day before you take it off. And then rinse and repeat if you have to. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this product.